Hello and welcome to another lesson by EC. Today we're going to look at the past continuous to discuss past events. We're going to read a short text message conversation. We're going to learn how to use the past continuous so that you can improve your accuracy when discussing past events. Here is the text message conversation. My mum writes, "I called you last night, but you didn't answer the phone. What were you doing?" And I write, "Oh yeah, I was doing my homework for uni." Uni is short for university. The two sentences we're going to look at now are "what were you doing" and "I was doing." This is the grammar. So let's analyze the meaning and form. First of all, the meaning. This happened last night, so we're talking about the past. We're also looking at two different actions. One is a shorter action and one is a longer action. So we use the past continuous for the longer action. Here, I was doing my homework. I was doing my homework is the longer action and my mum called is the shorter action. Let's look a bit at the form as well. So to form the past continuous, we use the subject plus was, were, plus the main verb in ing. Here are some examples. I was doing my homework, negative, I wasn't doing my homework, and question, what were you doing last night when I called you? Okay, here's the pronunciation, so you can repeat with me. Positive, I was doing my homework. I was doing my homework. Negative, I wasn't doing my homework. I wasn't doing my homework. And question form, what were you doing last night when I called you? What were you doing last night when I called you? Okay, let's move on. So, this is the rest of the conversation. My mother writes, "Really? I thought you didn't have any homework." And I write, "Fine, I was playing video games with my friends, okay? Anyway, I called you back later, but you didn't answer the phone. What were you doing last night?" And my mum writes, "Oh yes, I was drinking wine and watching TV. Sorry." So the rest of the examples here are I was playing video games, what were you doing last night, and I was drinking wine and watching TV. Now, be careful. Don't say what you were doing last night. In the question form, we have to invert the subject and the auxiliary verb were. So, what were you doing last night? Be careful. Don't say I was doing my homework. We always use the main verb in ing form. So, I was doing my homework. And next, don't say I drinking wine. Remember to use the auxiliary verb I was drinking wine. Okay, I look forward to hearing about you and what you were doing last night. See you soon.